everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a beautiful set of pink and red bling cherry nails. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going in with this gel polish by La Pomme in the color Razzmatazz. Then we're going to be using a small cleanup brush, which I'm using a gel brush to clean around the cuticle area. And then the next color I'm going to be using is by Madam Glam, and it is a gel polish as well, and it is in the color Angel Wings. And I know like last week somebody told me that it was sold out. Well, it is back in stock. It's a really pretty color by Madam Glam. And as you guys know, I do have a promo code for Madam Glam, so be sure to check that out. So we did that same color on all the other fingers. Now for this one, we're going to be doing, what is it called? It is called the negative space nail. So we're just going to do like a strip of pink, and then it's going to be clear, then another strip, then clear. So at first I was going to go ahead and do it with just the same nail polish brush, but I am going to switch it up and use the nail art brush to do this because it's going to be much easier and I'm not going to have to do as much cleaning up. So once again, I'm just using a small nail art brush and I'm just drawing the lines straight across, and I'm skipping a little space and then doing another line. So once again, this is called a negative space nail. After this, we are going to be curing each hand for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand, except for on this hand, the negative space nail would be on the ring finger, but I'm using the same colors. Alrighty, so now we're going to go in and do a second coat of both colors. Once again, this is Racetas by La Pomme, and then this pink one is Angel Wings by Madame Glam. Both of them are gel polishes, so we do have to cure them under a UV LED light. And also, I did want to mention that, as you guys know, I used to talk about the La Pomme polishes. They actually come in a dual pack, and they were only $5.50. I used to get them from my local nail supply store, and y'all, they stopped selling them. Like, the only ones that they really sell are the D&D ones, or actually they have a lot more brands. Like, they have OPI, they have Morgan Taylor, they have Essie, but they're starting to get rid of a lot more brands, and they're wanting to like just sell D&D because I can tell that they're not stocking up on the other polishes. So that really sucks. But anyways, we're doing 2 coats of each color. I'm also going back and adding a little bit more on the nail with the strips. And then after that, we're going to cure them for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so now for the cherries, we're going to be drawing the stems. So for that, I am using just a regular nail polish in the color green, or actually it's just the green, but I don't know the name of it. So it's just a regular nail polish and it's just green. And then we're literally just drawing the stems all over the nails. And I'm doing bigger and smaller ones because I'm going to be using 2 different size rhinestones. So I just want to alternate you know, the different sizes on the nails. And then, like I said, we're going to do this on all the nails. On the ring finger, or actually this middle finger and the ring finger on the other hand, we're only doing 1 closer to the top, and then the rest we are going to do a variety of small and little ones. Once again, this is just a regular polish. You can use any color green. I really think that I should have used a darker green, but it's okay. They still are going to be really cute. Alrighty, so same thing for the other hand. We're just going to go ahead and draw the little stems to the cherries. And then after that, we're going to go in and start applying the bling. Alrighty, so for our bling, I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin. I'm just applying it where I'm going to apply my bling. And I'm using some red rhinestones in the size SS6 and SS12. And then just add more glue as you need it. But yeah, we're just, like I said, we're applying the two different sizes. And we're just applying them at the bottom of the stems. And they're so cute. They actually look like little cherries. They're so pretty. So we're going to do that for all the nails. Once again, we are using the Mia Secret gel resin. And I'm also going to go back and apply the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator, which is the spray that helps the glue dry. Alrighty, and I'm also going to go back and add a couple of more cherries to some of the nails where they look a little bit empty. So I'm doing that on this index finger, and like I said, just draw the stem and then just put the rhinestones on there. Same thing for the other hand. Alrighty, so now I'm going to spray the nails with the activator, and after this I'm going to go in with my IBD gel top coat, and we're going to do one coat on each nail, and we're going to cure them for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so now I'm just applying my clear pineapple cuticle oil, and I'm just massaging it on the cuticles. So this is the final look. They turned out beautiful. Those two colors look great together. The cherries look so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys next time.